What is the definition of peace and harmony according to me? That is believing the reality, understanding the reality, accepting the reality is actually peace and harmony to me. Do you have control over life? I don't think so. But you have control over your emotions, reactions, understanding. For me, life's perspective is completely different than you. The way I speak, the way I perceive life is completely different than you. But there is one common thing in between all of us, that is accepting the reality wherever we are. And if we accept it, believe me, that will give you peace, that will lead you to harmonize your life with everyone around you, your family members. I think I'm quite lucky enough to understand this philosophy. Not 100%, but most of the time. Accepting the reality, living with it. If I'm in a problem, accepting it and introspecting where did I do the mistake? And when I'm winning it and accepting the win and understanding where did I get support from other people? Because I know I'm not capable of this thing. I'm not capable of achieving this. There is somebody who is supporting me. There is someone who is praying for me. That is harmony for me. That is peace for me. Whenever I commit a mistake, I knowingly, unknowingly, I blame myself. And if I win somewhere, I always give credit to my parents. I know they're praying for me. My sister's praying for me. My family, my wife, my kids, they're praying for me. I know that. And I really know that I'm not that capable. We all do same things. We hard work, or we work hard every single day, similar way or similar or the other. But the thing is, somebody achieves more, somebody achieves less. But one thing lies behind all these successes and achievements is consistency. And I find myself a consistent person whenever I'm at a position, in a situation, on a task. That makes my life harmonized. That gives me peace because after that, I can go home, I can sleep well, peacefully. When I deal with my family, I peacefully speak to them and I'm confident whether they agree with me or not. My friends do agree with me or not. Other people, they agree with me or not. But I know I'm peacefully okay with myself because I have tried, I have given myself the best to my ability. Live the reality, understand it. Trust me, you did not choose your inception. You will not choose your end. So just enjoy living the reality wherever you are, accept it, realize it, introspect it, and make it worth living because there are billions of people are deprived and they have no even they cannot even think what you are living right now. Thank you so much. Back to you, ma'am.